Welcome everybody to Very Important Geeks. It is another Saturday, and that means another mail call. And today we have Dual Shot. Now I believe this is the round 2 from Omni-Type sometime maybe a year and a half ago, I think, but it finally came in, so let's check it out. First off, let's appreciate the packaging. Look at this throwback homage to old PlayStation 2 CD cases. It's even got a little roughing and the shrink wrap on there as well. Fantastic. 10 for 10. Inside, ta-da, this is the base set, and look at that right there. I love the gray. I got the, I think, Katakana sub-legends on there. I love the little pops of color. And so this is the base alphas, and we got some of the other modifier keys there. And, of course, I have a Mac, so I got the Mac modifiers and these. Now these, plus the gray, will make this pop super nicely. I love the bright colors of this compared to the gray. I think this will be a fantastic combo, and I think it's worth putting on a keyboard. And there we go, beautiful, right? I love the gray in contrast with the colors. That is very nice. Pretty fantastic. Super happy with that. And that about does it for this video, you know? It's just a keycap review, right? There's no need for a sound test. No,